Hey you guys, welcome to Living in Country. I'm Polly. Today I wanted to give you guys a special, super awesome trick that my hubby and I use to save on lumber, but right now we're using kind of this strategy to save on our shiplap. So we just started doing this smaller shiplap wall here in my office. The other sides are going to be cabinet spaces that I'm going to decorate here in my office. So the strategy that I use, I wanted to share with you guys because it's super helpful, is when you guys go to Home Depot and Lowe's and you guys check out their shiplap section, they actually have a section in their stores where they have discounted lumber that's damaged. So it's called the damaged section, and oh my gosh, it depends on the day, but there will be days where you guys find a piece of shiplap that's 16 foot like this, or there might be a couple pieces that day. It just differs. But my hubby and I, we check all the time. And the other day we found this in the damage section. It has the purple kind of paint in the background, and that kind of helps the Home Depot associates know that this will be 70% off. So this piece we're actually gonna be using on the top portion. We're just gonna cut this off. Super great. These pieces go for about $17, $18, I would say. So we paid $3 to $4 for this piece and getting lots of use out of it. My suggestion is every time you guys go to Home Depot is check out that 70% section. Even if you get 1 or 2 pieces every time you go, you can save them up and you can end up doing a whole wall for 70% off, which is kind of what we're trying to do with this specific wall. We have done a lot of shiplap walls. We've done it right under our bar area as well as in our garage area. And you guys, this trick just super helps. Another thing that my hubby and I have started to do is we use this app called Fetch Rewards. And this is if you want to make your shiplap absolutely free. So we use Fetch Rewards and we scan all of our receipts, our Home Depot receipts, our gas receipts, our grocery receipts, and it's super easy to do on your app. You just literally take a picture, and that actually helps us earn points, and that equals free gift cards that you can use at Home Depot. So the other day when we went to go get shiplap and lumber to build all this, we were able to redeem over $100 in gift cards, which made building this desk super inexpensive and basically getting our shiplap for free. I'm gonna put a link down below so you guys can check it out. If you guys sign up using my link down there, you will actually get 2,000 points for signing up when you scan your first receipt and then get points for your receipt. So that is my tip for you guys. I would love to know down in the comment section below if you guys have a trick or tip when buying lumber or shiplap. I would love to get you guys' feedback and ideas, and let this be kind of a place to chit chat and talk and kind of get new ideas and suggestions from one another. Thank you guys so much for watching Living in Country, and I hope that this tip can help you guys in your home. I'll see you guys later. Bye.